Let's use sublimation on a black t-shirt. Measure your shirt first. Use your measurements and add a box. Move your image inside the box and resize. Print your image and don't forget to mirror it. We're using glitter HTV for the box. Time to cut your box out. Weed your vinyl and trim your image. Set your easy press to 320 degrees and pre-press your shirt. Measure your shirt and press for 30 seconds. Place your image and secure with heat tape. Set your press to 400 degrees and press for 60 seconds. Let's see how it looks. Customize your order today at WeSlayGlam.com.